I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to add funds to your PayPal balance, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Start by logging into your PayPal account on the website or app. Make sure you enter the correct email and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Wallet. Once logged in, find the Wallet option in the main menu. This is where you can manage your balance and linked accounts. Step 3. Click on Add Funds. In the Wallet section, look for the Add Funds button. This will allow you to transfer money from your bank account to your PayPal balance. Step 4. Choose your funding source. Select the bank account or card you want to use to add funds. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you'll need to do that first. Step 5. Enter the amount and confirm. Input the amount you wish to add to your PayPal balance and confirm the transaction. Keep an eye out for any fees that might apply based on the funding source. If you are using a bank transfer, it may take a few days for the funds to appear in your PayPal balance, so plan accordingly. I hope this helps you add funds easily.